Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Lnchett helping hand magnifier. That's an LED light with a soldering stand. It has these crocodile clips which you can use to secure small pieces, and then you have both hands free for soldering, maybe also for gluing or other things. Yeah, the thing is, when you do soldering or gluing small pieces, then the problem is that you need both hands, and sometimes you need a third or fourth hand to stick these pieces together. I've been using something like this before to do that, but I mean, you need one hand to hold this here. I mean, it has a stand, but then it is on a certain height, and the gap between the magnifier and the object does not have the perfect distance. So this is, if you're doing soldering or whatsoever, this is the thing what you need. So let's open the box and see what we get for this very cheap price, way below $20. How this works. It's nicely protected with this bubble wrap. So let's be careful. The thing is, it's quite heavy actually compared to price and size, which is a good thing. So it is pretty stable. So here we have the lens. I think it comes with a 4 times magnifying strength, and there's even more in this small field here. Yeah, here we see that it says 4 times. The big thing is 4 times magnifying, the small one 12 times. Here you can see everything. Yeah, also batteries are needed for the light, and it looks like, oops, it's not included, but let's check that out. Yeah, try to hold it so you can read that maybe if you need that. So most of the parts are prepared and ready to go, but we have a few wing nuts which we have to secure here. I can show that a little bit. So as you can see, it's super flexible. Yeah, I had it in the wrong space. Hope you still can see this. So this is 360 degrees rotatable. These yeah, almost, I mean, this is a really flexible thing here. I secure this the moment. Yeah, this of course we have to secure as well after transporting the thing. Yeah, so as you can see, it's super flexible. You can rotate in almost every direction. So what you need, and this is the holder for the soldering. Of course, we have to secure this with this extra screw, but that's super easy as well. I'm not going to show you how to solder here. I'm just showing you a sample how this will look. So yeah, I opened that at the bottom and there was really no battery. Yeah, okay, that was the big one. We need the small ones. Yes, the large batteries are the AA. The small ones are the AAA batteries. Yes, really easy to secure this battery case, and we just turn on here the light with this button. So I now turned off the normal light. So you have, here we have only the light from this tool, this Lnchett tool soldering holder, and as you can see, it's really powerful, it's very bright, I just had nothing for soldering, but I have put here the instruction manual, and as you can see here, we can zoom in and read everything. Yeah, do we have the 12 times? Yeah, of course we would have to focus. The camera is not focusing on this thing here, so don't worry about that. If you go close with your eyes, that's no problem to see everything. The problem here is just it's focusing on wrong things. Yeah, here it's a little bit better now. I hope you can see that, but it's pretty sharp, pretty good, no problem at all to read that. Pretty nice thing, and it's super stable. As you can see, nothing happens. I can move and shake and everything, and it's stable, everything. So yeah, good thing, absolutely no complaints, and for the price it's an amazing thing. So I can really only recommend it, and I will put down the link into the description so you can order it right from here if you need something like that. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.